Amazon Basics Adjustable Chest Mount Harness for GoPro Camera. Compatible with all GoPro cameras including GoPro Hero 6, Hero 5 Black. Fully adjustable. Fits a wide range of adult sizes. Chest harness for mounting any quick-release GoPro camera at chest level. Helps capture dynamic perspective of thrilling outdoor adventures, an alternative to higher-up helmet views. Ideal for skiing, snowboarding, mountain biking, cycling, kayaking, rafting, and other adrenaline-fueled activities.
Capture your adventures from a new vantage point with the Amazon Basics GoPro Chest Mount Harness. The chest harness allows for any quick-release GoPro camera to be mounted at chest level. It has fully adjustable straps which can be adjusted to fit almost any size adult. And the durable black straps wrap around the chest and both shoulders, clipping together in the front for a secure fit. It's ideal for skiing, biking, motorcycle racing, and whitewater rafting, as it fits more of you in the frame, including arms, legs, and sports gear. The Amazon Basics GoPro Chest Mount Harness provides a unique perspective to traditional helmet views, and will catch more of you and the action, enhancing the thrill with every shot.